Here at Gateway Workshops, we know it's vitally important for our students and new therapists to continue with their learning. With this in mind, our CPD courses are designed to assist you with continued learning and cover a wide variety of subjects and are taken by students for a number of reasons. They can be for personal development, gaining CPD points, professional development, or just pure interest. We find that many of our introductory courses are very popular as they're designed for students to see if they'd like to progress to the more advanced course at a practitioner level. Our online courses are easy to use with a variety of online learning tools depending on the course. You can complete the course at your own pace with no time pressure, with 24-hour access to the material. Our CPD introduction courses are written by experts, giving you an affordable insight into a wide variety of subjects. Approved and accredited by the Accreditation Council of Holistic Healers, or ACHH, World Metaphysical Association, and also ThinkTree. We've trained thousands of students with 5-star feedback. When you do a course with us, you're safe in the knowledge that we are a trusted school with a proven track record of over 20 years. When you book with Gateway, you know that you're receiving a course of an extremely high standard. So, be a part of our award-winning school and train with us today.